Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for this video, it is our Allure beauty box for the month of October, and I don't know what to expect from this box here because it seems like they did a whole change again. In the beginning of the year, they did a change that seemed to make the box a really good box, because from what I had heard previous to that, before they did that change in, I think it was January, it sucked and nobody liked the box. And January came around, they did the whole change, and I saw some videos that, you know, showed that the box was actually pretty good. So then that's when I subscribed to the box. Now it looks like ever since last month they did the change. I wasn't sure if it was going to be just for that box or if it was going to be a permanent change. But looking at this box, it looks like it's going to be permanent. Before, I really liked it because you get both full size and deluxe size products. So obviously a bigger box gives you the opportunity to put bigger products. This box is actually pretty small, so I don't know. Let's get in and see what it is. Last month's box I did not like. I was not happy with because it is a $15 a month subscription. So if you're paying $15, I think you should get a little bit more. If you guys haven't seen last month's video, go ahead and check that out so you guys can see what I'm talking about. We get a pamphlet like we do normally with all the products inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that aside, and I'm just gonna start taking things out. I'm gonna grab this one first. I'm gonna grab this one first because it looks different. I've never seen anything like this. It says M61 Powerful Skincare, and it is a Power Glow Peel. Okay, so that is what our packaging looks like. It's completely different from what I'm used to seeing. So let me see, let me open this up. Oh, we have little packets. It feels like it's like a sheet in there somehow, like a very tiny sheet. So I'm not sure if you're supposed to, like, you know, wipe your face with it, but you do get 3. So I don't know if this would be considered a full size, because it does say you get 3 treatments. It says after cleansing and drying skin, wipe pre-soaked towelette over face and neck and décolleté. I think that's how you pronounce that. While avoiding eye area, do not rinse off. Follow with a moisturizer, and they say they recommend doing this 3 times a week. So here you have a week's worth of treatments. Up next, I'm gonna go for this one here. And I love this one. It is from Sol de Janeiro, and it is a bum cream. I actually have the full size of this one. It smells so good. Every time I shower and I put this one on right after, like, it just, you know, makes me feel so good and refreshed, and, you know, I really, really like it. So I really recommend this one. We have a little tiny sample here. So item number 2, let's go in. I'm gonna look at this one. Oh, I thought that was a picture of a salad. I was like, why are they giving us food items? But no, those are, I don't even know what those are, but they're leaves. What we have here, it is a mineral bath salt, and it says Dream Away, valerian and hops. That's probably what that is. And it just says it has essential oils. So I'm assuming, since it says Dream Away, I'm assuming this will help you relax and unwind at the end of the day, so you can go ahead and have a good night's sleep. So I have a tub, so I am excited to try these out. I wonder if they have like a nice scent. It is not a resealable pouch, so I'm not gonna open them just because I do not want to spill them accidentally, and knowing me, I probably will, and I will have a bunch of like bath salt all over my living room. So I'm gonna try this out one night when I can take a bath and see if they work. Let's see. Up next, I'll go ahead and try this. Not try it. I'll take out this one. I You know what? I've actually used this one before, and they are eye drops from Lumify. And let's see, it says works in 1 minute and lasts up to 8 hours. That is it there. I actually use eye drops because I do have dry eyes, so I use the ones to lubricate my eyes. I don't really use the ones to take away the redness, because I don't really see a point in that, and they're really not that moisturizing, because that's originally what I started using, and then I started using the one that my optometrist recommended. But these are actually not bad eye drops. Like I said, I've tried them before. Up next, I'm gonna get this little tiny one, and oh, it's from Sunday Riley. It's a little tiny sample. It's super cute. So we have a little tiny sample, and it is Eyes from Sunday Riley, and it is a moisturizing cream. Those of you that don't know about Sunday Riley, they are a very expensive brand, so getting a little tiny sample makes sense. Yeah, so that's all it has here. It says Eyes Sunday Riley, and it just says it is a moisturizing cream. So I will definitely use this. It doesn't say if it's like for the body or for the face, but I'm gonna look this one up a little bit more so I can get more information. We are down to 2 items. I'm gonna grab this one, and it is from Model Co, and it's a metallic eyeshadow. Okay, I'm assuming it's gonna be like a stick or a crayon kind of thing. It's not the first time we've received those type of eyeshadows. Oh, I was wrong. This is a black eyeshadow, and it looks like it's a cream, or I don't know what kind of eyeshadow you would call this, but it has a little wand and it's black. Oh, that is really pretty. So it's black. I've never used a black eyeshadow before, but this one is black, and it has like a silver metallic glitter. I don't know if it will pick it up, but that is it there. Like I said, it is black and it has silver metallic glitter. It looks really, really pretty. They're not too sparkly. I think they could have been a little bit more sparkly so the glitter can actually stand out, but it's not. But it's still really, really pretty. I've never used it before, and I don't know how I would use it, but I'll think of something. And then last we have something else from Model & Co, and it is a metallic eyeshadow trio. So, and it says Saint Tropez here. I don't know if that's the shade of the trio, or the name, but let me see. Yeah, that's gonna be the shade Saint Tropez, and it is an eyeshadow trio. We have 3 different shades in here. They look all to be metallic. That is what our little trio looks like. Let me swatch them really quick. Ooh, they feel really nice and creamy. I'll put them here. Oh, these are really pigmented. They almost feel like cream shadows. I don't know if they are, but these are the 3 colors here. They're really, really pretty. I really, really like them. They're nice. They're really nice colors. They are super duper pigmented, all 3 of them. So this one here is the final item from our box. I guess we are no longer getting a cosmetic bag, which we used to get one with every box, but it looks like that has gone away. For this box, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. I think that maybe the only full sizes are both of these, which, I mean, how much could these really be? I don't know. I Allure, with this change that they did, I don't know. Oh, sorry, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we have 7 items. With the change that they did, I don't know if it's worth it. So what do we have here? So on our little pamphlet, full size item of the Sunday Riley, you would be looking at $65. This peel treatment, this is not a full size. So here it says for 10 treatments, you will be paying $30. Here we have 3. 3 treatments. So I guess a regular box would be with 10 treatments, and that would be $30. The Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, full size, you would be paying $45, and trust me, this lotion is totally worth it. I really, really like the scent. This Model Co. Trio eyeshadow is $13, so yes, this would be full size. I guess this one is full size as well. The Model Co. Eyelight in Granite, this one is $9. And then we have our bath salts, which I think this is a full size as well, and this one is $20. So those were all the products from our oh, you know what, I think they threw this one in here as an extra one, because what we have back here is pretty much just like an ad for it, and we do not have a price for this one here. So those were all the products from our box. Let me know what you guys think of the box now that they did this change. I personally am not too happy. I think we used to get more items before, more deluxe size and more full size items in our box, and I think that it had a better value then. Even though I never used a cosmetic bag, we would also get a cosmetic bag along with everything else. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Because I really don't know how to feel about this one just yet. I think I have to give it a few more months to see what they add into those boxes and see if it's actually worth it or not. But right now, I'm feeling like it's not. But let me know what you guys think. So that is all for me for today. I will be back really soon with another unboxing. And I hope I will see you guys all next time. Bye.